Hi, I'm Chloe Franklin, Director of National Programs at BioBuilder. If you're thinking about launching a BioBuilder Club team at your school, welcome. This is everything you need to know to get started. The BioBuilder Club is our after school synthetic biology or bioengineering program for high school students. Teams pick a real world challenge in medicine, agriculture, sustainability, you name it, and design, build, and test their own biotech solutions from October through March. Here's what a team needs: a teacher or adult to register and supervise, up to 10 high school students, some basic understanding of DNA as the coding language of cells, access to a computer and the internet, and $400 to cover the registration fee. However, there's no cost for Title I schools or schools where 40% or more of students qualify for free or reduced lunch. No prior lab experience is required, and teams don't need a wet lab to participate, as lab work is optional. Most first year teams focus exclusively on biodesign. Teams interested in building and testing their designs, or teams who want to conduct lab work to practice hands on skills, will also need access to a lab and additional materials. You won't be doing this alone. Every team is matched with a professional scientist mentor from academia or industry. And we have regular webinars that feature near peer mentors, such as members of different college synthetic biology teams, will share their project development insight throughout the fall as well. Our mentors commit to 10 hours of virtual guidance from November to March. They can help refine your project idea, troubleshoot experimental design if applicable, and prep for presentations for the March final assemblies. All teams also get access to the BioBuilder textbook and the BioBuilder Club handbook resources and guides. Teams also receive a coupon for Carolina Biological and can request select free reagents from NEB. Registration opens August 15th. Head to the BioBuilder Club page on our website, follow the link, or check your inbox for the team registration survey. You'll receive a link that we email to you that's specific for your geographic registration. Please complete this team registration link. The confirmation email will include a link for students to register to the team beginning 24 hours later. You don't need a roster or complete roster to register your team. Students are able to register at any point later on, and if you need to make changes to your roster, you can just let us know. It's important to note that your team isn't officially registered until you've completed our registration form and submitted your $400 payment. On October 6th, you can join us on Zoom for our official season kickoff. After the season kickoff, there will be webinars throughout the fall and winter to help you with your project and presentation preparation. In March, we'll hold our final assemblies in Boston. You can participate in person or online, as well as in Atlanta, and for the first time, a new location in the Midwest. Details about the final assemblies will be announced as soon as possible. The final assemblies are a chance for teams to give short talks and participate in poster sessions. Registered teams will receive additional information about the requirements for their project deliverables. If you've got a group of curious students and a good idea, that's really all it takes. We'll teach you the engineering. Register your team and reach out anytime to Chloe at biobuilder.org. We can't wait to see what your team builds with biology.